Okay, so today I am testing the air system. So I've plugged everything up, linked up the tail gear, traced all the wire along, got the air tank in there, and I'm using one of these X-Core electronic controllers. So it's the first time I've used one of these. They seem pretty easy to set up. I know some people aren't a fan of them, but this is the first time I've tried them, and so far seems okay. It's then just hooked up to a test receiver and battery switch, etc. I've then got the mains gear all plumbed up as well and secured on the bench just for some test runs, cycling. I've pumped all the air in and I've set up to the controller. So as you can see, cycled the gear, the tail gears come up, and so have the main gear. So all looks good. And that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date on all the latest videos. And if YouTube isn't just enough, follow the link tree in my profile to find and follow all my other social media platforms. Thanks and bye for now.